Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you must install .NET to desktop runtime to run this application in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to open your Google Chrome. Okay, so just have to wait until you are being redirected here to Google Chrome itself. And once you are here you need to type for .NET, okay? Type for .NET space desktop runtime. Just have to click on enter the moment you've typed it and wait until you are being redirected to the list of results. Okay? So here are the results. Please proceed to the very first of it, okay, which contains the link of .NET 6.0. Just have to click on it, okay? And here you need to scroll down and go with the stable where it has this 3 OS. You need to go with Windows since we are installing it in your Windows and go with 64. Click on it. And the moment you've click on it, you would be redirected to the downloaded of this .NET. Okay, just have to wait until this will be done. Okay. Okay, it says here done. Just have to click this forward arrow. Okay, and it asks you here. Just have to click on continue. Okay, now just have to click on no and then click on continue, then close this window. Okay, just have to close this Google Chrome window first and then click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and then click on install. Okay, so here just have to wait until this will be done. Your user account control will ask you to give permission on installing this application. Just have to go with it and then check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone. Bye bye.